don't know how to deal with in today's world. Seen one of these things, let alone know how to get it out. It doesn't come out. I don't get it. It doesn't come out. It's broken. It's broken. What am I supposed to do? I can't get it out. I'm gonna have to call Daddy. There's no spare tire. Where's the spare tire? I'm supposed to have a spare tire. You do. It's under here. Lug nuts, and we loosen them up a little bit while there's pressure on the tire, and then we jack it up. You just get them to where they're loose so you're able to get the tire off once it's jacked up. Now you bring this guy over here, put him in there, then you crank it around and it brings the car up. You put this in there and that gives you the leverage. To jack things up. And you just do that till you can pull the tire off. You take the tire off, you put it under the car in case it falls down, and then you take the spare tire out from underneath the back. They're not put on very tight once you break the seal on them. And there's no pressure on the tire. Tire comes off. And it goes under the car. So if the car falls off the jack stand, it doesn't crush you. Now, we go get the other tire from under here. You come in here and undo this, and just like magic, lift this up. And now you have your tire to put on in the back with the spare tire, because this thing's pretty dirty. And we're just going to line everything up and tighten them down, take the jack down, put the spare tire in the back. Take the tire out, then we spin the jack down, and go home and have a beer. This is Jerry Cook, your Riverside Realtor, helping your kids understand changing a tire is not a nightmare, it's just a process. Have a good evening. So you know where they're at next time. We'll put the tire back here. Always have a couple extra screwdrivers around. And the job is done. And that was the monster right there. Picked up a nail at lunch.